Oh, you weren't born in America? So you can't be an American. You're Muslim? Oh, you can't possibly be an American then. Your parents don't know the national anthem? Well, then they're just not patriotic now, are they? So many things. There are so many things that we need to identify, to learn, to accept ourselves as American. And every one of us often tries to assimilate into that culture, to earn that title. But sometimes I wonder, why bother? Why do I even have to prove to anybody that I am an American? Why can't I just be Bengali? Why can't I just be Farzana? Why can't I just be human and let that be enough? Why do I have to go to one nation or another and claim one party or another? Because in essence what that does is just differentiate me from another group. If I'm American, then the Bangladeshi community might not accept me. If I'm Bengali, the American community doesn't full-heartedly accept me. But why do we need to accept ourselves within a community, within a set circle? We don't. But oftentimes, because of that, what happens? Hate crimes, discrimination, segregation. Lately, I'm just exposing myself to all these different rights and these issues that have been going on in our world. And it's not something that just happened now because I'm exposing myself, but it's because I'm choosing not to be ignorant now. And today, I've exposed myself to another part. Why am I constantly even trying to prove to anybody that I'm an American? But I am. But I don't need to sit here and justify that to you. And nobody does. You don't need to justify to anybody why you wear a turban on your head, why you cover your head, why you wear a yarmulke. Why do you wear a Jewish star or a cross or the crescent and moon? Why can't you just take that turban off if it's causing a problem? Why don't you just change your name if it's Mohammed? No, we shouldn't have to do any of those things because we're afraid. We shouldn't even be afraid. America is a land of opportunity. It's a land where people fled and came to because they were afraid in their own nation. And for us to come here and be scared to be who we are, almost is unethical. It should almost be against the law. And in no country will there ever be a place where it's going to be total peace. But each one of us needs to understand and accept each other. And there are times when we're going to want to be an American. There are times when we're going to want to be accepted into our own community. But at the end of the day, let's try not to put ourselves in any category. Because doing that separates us from other categories. Let's be human. Let's accept one another. Let's create an interfaith, intercultural society. And I do believe one day we'll be able to do that. But until then, educate yourself, educate those around you. Don't be ignorant. Expose yourself. Be naked. Consume yourself and all that is around you. And I hope these videos, my blog, some way or another inspire somebody to go after a cause that they believe in. Because I know slowly, as I'm getting older, there are causes that I believe in. And I'm sure if each of us search deep into our hearts, there are things that we want to fight for, but never get the courage to or the time to. But the time is now. Because time and tide wait for none.